What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you an easy, foolproof way to cover your veggies and protect them from cold if you don't have any covers on hand. There is currently a massive Arctic air mass outbreak working its way throughout the United States, and many of you have reached out to me really worried about your gardens and what you can do to protect your plants. If you have a small garden, it's pretty easy to cover things with sheets or row covers. But what do you do if your garden is so large that you just can't cover everything, or if it's so windy, it's not possible to cover everything? Well, there is another solution. This right here is the remnants of my straw bale garden that I was growing my tomatoes in last year. So this is all decaying wheat straw. And I can scoop this up and use this to bury certain plants in order to insulate them from the cold. If you don't have access to wheat straw like this, other good things you can use to bury plants would be pine needles or chopped up leaves. I'm going to scoop up as much of this wheat straw that I can. So here you can see all of my garlic that is germinated for me. Now, garlic is cold hardy, but because it's going to get so cold, the greens are vulnerable to damage. So I could take this old wheat straw and I could bury all of that garlic. And this wheat straw can stay keeping these garlic greens insulated for quite an amount of time. These carrot seedlings just germinated and are very vulnerable to cold. Burying them under wheat straw, which is very lightweight and won't crush them, is the perfect thing to do. So for something like those very fragile small carrot seedlings, it's important that you remove the mulch as soon as the cold weather passes so they can breathe and get light and grow. For these stronger, stouter garlic plants, I wouldn't remove the mulch, but I would pull it back. That way it's not sitting on top of the greens anymore, but you're still mulching around the base, and let that mulch decay, and that mulch will not only insulate the roots while allowing the greens to breathe, but its decomposition will feed the soil, as well as suppress weeds. Burying your plants is a great way to temporarily insulate them against cold weather. Just make sure you don't use anything heavy to weigh them down. For example, you wouldn't want to use something like a heavy bark mulch that could crush something like those fragile carrot seedlings, so please keep that in mind. For doing this, I like using the old wheat straw because these seeds have long since decayed and I'm not depositing fresh seed all over my garden. If you choose to use something like fresh hay or fresh straw, please be advised that some of the seeds will be viable and you may get some germination of hay or wheat come the spring. Alternatively, you could also go to a big box store and you can go get some pet bedding like those cedar shavings for gerbil cages and such, or you could go to big box stores and get more expensive bales of wheat straw that have already had all of the seeds removed. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.